case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
At the heart of a tug-of-war in the Florida District Court of Appeal was a contract between San Francisco Distribution Center, LLC, and Stonemason Partners, LP. The clash was over a contentious prearranged sum, liquidated damages in legal parlance, which Stonemason insisted should be paid out following San Francisco Distribution's breach of their agreement. This contractual dispute began with San Francisco Distribution's backing out of a $5,250,000 deal to buy commercial property from Stonemason. A clause in the contract stipulated that in the event of such a default, Stonemason was entitled to a deposit of $400,000, held in escrow, as liquidated damages. But San Francisco Distribution's failure to seal the deal led to their broker returning to them the escrow deposit, sparking off the legal fracas. Stonemason, keen to enforce the liquidated damages clause, filed a lawsuit. They claimed that, regardless of their ability to sell the property to a subsequent buyer for a higher price, they were legally entitled to the deposit. San Francisco Distribution, however, countered, arguing that the clause was unreasonable and unenforceable precisely because Stonemason suffered no financial loss. They had, after all, sold the property for $200,000 more than originally agreed. The court found in favor of Stonemason, ruling that the liquidated damages clause was both valid and enforceable. This was a bitter pill for San Francisco Distribution, as not only were they ordered to part with $400,000 in deposit money, but they were also held liable for accruing interest and attorney fees. Unsatisfied with the ruling, San Francisco Distribution took their fight to the appeals court. The contention was whether the liquidated damages clause was a penalty, essentially unjust punishment, given that Stonemason had successfully resold the property at a profit. However, the court stood by the principle that, despite the profit from resale, the seller had the right to either enforce the original contract or keep the deposit as liquidated damages. The court's ruling, referencing previous cases like Hot Developers, Inc. v. Willow Lake Estates, Inc. and Bradley v. Sanchez, remained cogent. The liquidated damages clause was not a penalty, but an enforceable contract provision.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.